Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with another unboxing. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I set myself goals every year, and this year, one of my goals is to complete my 5 oldest kits. I am currently working on 2 of them. One is my very large Josephine wall from Diamond Painting Deutschland that has 275 colors. The other one is my Bubble Fairies by Randall Spangler, which is a square kit that I am working on. It is not finished yet, but hopefully will be soon. So those are 2 of the 5. This is technically the Josephine wall is number 5 on the list. This is number 2 on the list. So this is my second oldest kit. But I really want to get these done. So even though I don't have the other 2 finished yet, I'm going to go ahead and open this one and get it kitted up. There is an event coming up in March that is a dragon event, and I'm going to call these dragons. Both of these kits are dragling kits from Randall Spangler, so gives me an excuse to get them done. And if by some miracle I manage to get both of those finished, that one, the Bubble Fairies, and this one, I have a 3rd Spangler that I would like to do as well. But first, let's get into this one. Let me get everything out of the box and then we'll look at what it is. All right, so I've got the kit here. I've got my toolkit. I've got my little sticker for my logbook. I'm not going to show you that quite yet because I don't want to tell you what kit it is yet. You already know it's a Spangler, so I've already narrowed it down. Let's look in our toolkit and see what we get. We get a plastic tray. We get a scrunchie. We get 2 plates of their heart wax. We get a bunch of extra baggies. Again, I am not a baggy person. I do not ever use those plastic bags. We get our very pokey tweezers, and we get our pin, diamond painting pin with a 4-placer. All right, let me put the toolkit away. I'm going to unroll the kit, and we'll be right back. So we've got our instructions, which I don't use. We've got our sticker sheet. We've got all of our drills. Look at those colors. We'll look at those in a minute. And here is our kit called Universe in a Jar by Randall Spangler. It's the cute little dragons and then little planets and things and all the jars. There's like an observatory window with a telescope, the little guy back here. Now this is an older kit, but it does come with the pre-cut stickers. It looks like we've got 3 ABs. This is before they started doing their fairy dust drills or anything, but 3 ABs is not bad, and I may go in and see if I have any extras that I want to add in as well. I think that would be fun to do since this is kind of a space kind of thing. Maybe the galaxies right here or some of the planets, those would be fun places to add in ABs. So you can see it says it is 56 by 64 or 22 by 25 inches. So it's pretty big, 60 by 65, somewhere in there. But it's just really cute, and it's a Spangler. So, okay, let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. So once again, this is kind of too big for my table here, but I will take some B-roll and play it while I'm talking so that you guys can get some close-ups of the canvas as well. I mean, it's a Diamond Art Club. It's got very clear symbols. We've got our schematic on both sides, and we've got our thumbnail at the bottom with the sizes. So 56 by 64, so let's measure 56. It is 56 exactly across. And if I turn it and measure it long ways, let me get this all flattened down. It's been rolled up. Not quite 64. I'm at 63.5, so pretty close. So 56 by 63.5, not bad. And you can see it's, like I said, nice and clear symbols. We've got like this window with the brick back here and the telescope. We've got a planet in the jar here. This jar has some galaxies. Is that like a little cherry thing? Just like a little decorative thing on top of it. And then down here, we have our little draglings. Here's the little astronomer looking through the telescope. We've got some more planets in here, some stars in this jar. It looks like marbles, but it's little planets. Another planet with a ring here. Some books stacked up behind it. Another book down here at the bottom. I just think this one is going to be really cute. So we've got 50 colors, and like I said, 3 of those are ABs. So let me grab the drills and we'll look at those. Okay, I'm back. A bit of a mishap because one of the bags was accidentally ripped open in transit, and I had to pick up a few loose drills, and they were kind of staticky, so they were stuck to the bags. So I think I have everything all picked up, so let's look at this. I guess I'll just start with the ones that's open. So we've got like a gray, and then a dark gray, and then a dark blue. I'm going to set those off to the side because I don't want to lose any more drills. Then we've got 2 bags of 939. We've got another bag of a dark gray. Then we've got 3 bags of dark blue. We've got 2 different kind of dark browns, like a dark chocolate brown and then like a butterscotch. We've got kind of a lighter blue, and then 2 bags of this kind of sky blue, and then like a reddish brown. And then we have 2 more shades of blue, a lighter blue and kind of a very deep blue. We've got an olive color, another blue, like a mint blue, a sky blue. There's another gray, kind of an orangey color, a brick red, another kind of lighter butterscotch, a dark green. We've got a bright orange, a light green, a light blue, kind of a deep peach. Then we've got a couple of greens, a light green and then a grass green. And then we've got our first AB, which is white. We've got a dark green and a bright peach. And then for this last sleeve, we've got like a pale watermelon, a lavender, another butterscotch, a purple, kind of a deep watermelon. There's a yellow AB, a dark purple, a pink, a peach, another light purple, a green. Then we've got a purple and a deep purple, a baby pink, a forest green, a very dark brown, a red, a tan, a brick red, and then our last AB is this baby pink. So let me move all the drills out of the way and we'll look and see where all of our ABs go. So the first AB is a white, and it's just kind of dotted here and there. There's some here in the galaxies. There's some here at the top of this jar, at the top of this jar, at the top of this jar. Then our second AB is the yellow. It's on the top of this jar right here, on this jar. And then it is down at the bottom here on the top of this jar with all like the little planet marbles in it. And then our third AB, which is the, oh, that is the white. I misspoke. So still here in the galaxy, still here at the top. The purple is the first AB, and it is also up here in the galaxies and then at the top of kind of all of the jars. So not a ton of ABs in this one. Even the white ones, there's not that many. Maybe I'll throw some 310 ABs kind of here in the night sky just to make the stars stand out a little bit more. We'll see. Maybe I'll put the stars on first and I'll see how that's going to look before I throw in the ABs. But I certainly could add some additional ABs like to the outside of the jars here. Maybe some red ABs. There seems to be little splashes of red everywhere. That could be fun. Yeah, I just need to go and look. Maybe I've got some metallics I could throw in here as well on the telescope or maybe around the window. I don't know. I'll have to see. Maybe I've got some brown ABs that I could use for the windows just to jazz the window up a little bit. So lots of ways that I could add enhancements to this one, but I'm really excited about this one. I think this is another one of these for me that it's got all these little vignettes. I can do the telescope, the astronomer, I can do this jar, then the dragons, the books, etc. So it makes a big painting go a little bit faster when you can kind of divide it up into those sections. I've actually been watching someone on Instagram who is actually, it's an opaque cover sheet instead of a clear one like this. And she's actually cutting by drill around and just doing all of the background first and then go back and fill in everything else. It looks pretty cool just to see the white of the opaque cover paper as she's doing everything else. So interesting. Everybody's always doing something fun. Speaking of fun, it's been a while since I did like a random thing where I just like numbered them and then I didn't do them in order. I just did them. Maybe I'll do that one this way. I used to do it like that all the time just to kind of keep it fresh for myself. I would just randomly number them and lay them down and then go in order of the numbers. I will stick a link to, I don't know if this particular kit is still available, but if it's not, I'll stick a link to Diamond Art Club down below. They have lots of different Spangler canvases, so if you like Spangler, if you like the draglings, you can find lots of different things. So the last thing that I need to do before I go is that on Tuesday, I had my video about a thank you giveaway for 7,000 subscribers. That's a lot of you, and I appreciate you watching. I was going to do, because I had so many comments, that I was going to do like just a random comment picker because that seemed easier. But when I went to go kind of play around with the comment picker and see what I needed to do, it didn't have the same feel as my little spinning wheel. So I went ahead and entered all 200 plus of you somewhere in there, entered your names in my little wheel here so I can spin my wheel. So good luck, everybody. Let's spin the wheel and see who wins. It is Diamond Painting with Tessa. Congratulations, Tessa. So Tessa, if you will contact me via email, my email is diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com, and get me your mailing information so I can get your kit out in the mail to you. Thank you so much to everyone who participated. Your participation was overwhelming. And I really do just want to say thank you so much to everyone who supported me along this journey. It truly has been amazing and not at all what I expected and more than I hoped for. So thank you again to everyone. Congratulations again to Tessa. And that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.